Hi guys, welcome back. How are we all? Hopefully all safe and well. We're off to Mossman Gorge today. Go and check out what's to offer up there. Go for a bit of a walk around the gorge and I'll show you all the nice views that we have in there. Okay, let's get going. Let's head on in.
I don't know where my hat is. I think it might be my hat.
So weather today, minimum 20, maximum of 28. Winds 20 to 30 k's. Chance of rain 80%. Souvenirs, t-shirts, all the different Aboriginal art in here. So pay a short little fee, walk around just outside and grab the bus to take us up to the gorge area. So you just get a ticket for. Jump on the bus. It's a bit of a rundown of Mossman Gorge. Cute little possum they've made up on the top of the pole. It's pretty cool. So they've had a little bit of rain at the moment. Not a great deal, but a little bit. So the river might be flowing a little bit, so not too safe to swim at the moment. Not that it's a great day, it's a bit cool and overcast. As you can see, nice concrete path and suspended bridges and that over the rainforest. Main lookout's closed. That's not too good. Well, we'll just keep heading on and show you guys what there is to offer here. It's quite beautiful and very relaxing walk through here. Nice little river down there. This one to the other side. Great easy walk through here. Any age could walk it. A couple of kids and family and some older people ahead. Very hard to get these signs with the reflection of the sun in the background. You can really hear that gorge water coming through at the moment. I don't know if you can quite hear that. It's just over there in the back. Sounds like it's really flowing good today. Since the last time I was here, probably 2 years ago. Absolutely amazing what they've done. Great work to the gorge people in here. So unfortunately the lookout part's closed, which is really nice over there. I think we'll just have to come back and show you that part. Might get a bit more of a view up on the other part of the track. Pretty cool steps too. Oh wow, suspended bridge. Rex Creek Bridge. Very bouncy bridge too. Kids will love jumping on here. Right. Say hi. Just get off the bridge for these people so I can get a couple of nice photos. Not very pram friendly with all the stairs, but quite an easy still walk. Really amazing walk, walking right side the river all the way through. These great little views. The camera just does not do justice on these. Can't see how good it actually looks through the camera, but you're definitely going to have to come here and check it out for yourselves. Beautiful little spot. Come when it's a bit warmer and there's no rain around, you can actually swim here, which I'll show you that bit later. Very thick rainforest over your head. It's quite nice now. It was a little bit muggy before. Humidity is probably up a little bit. A little bit of rain around. Just have to pause on those signs. I'll try and hold them for a little bit. 2k track, 700 to the car park, which is back where we started. You can also do guided tours up here in Mossman Gorge. I'm pretty sure they're still running them. They'll give you a lot of information on types of trees, food, animals. A lot to do with the area as well, the indigenous area. These trees are just amazing. Moss running off them. Check this out. It's pretty cool. I think they're a flower with a bit of fruit in them by the look of it. I'm not sure what type. If anybody knows, leave a comment.